I'm going to start with the Personal Growth Awards. And we are giving out 4 Personal Growth Awards, 2 to Journeys and 2 to Smile. And there will be a male and female from each. I will start with Journeys. We want to congratulate Robert Jarecki. Come on up, Robert. Robert had a remarkable year of personal growth. Peers, volunteers, and staff have all recognized your positive contributions to Journeys and the Liverpool Play community. In addition, you've impressed your colleagues and your employers at school work placements with your enthusiasm and effort. We wish you continued success, Robert. Congratulations. Next, and very deserving, because she cheered the loudest when Robert was announced as the winner, we congratulate Jillian Gillespie. Jillian is the youngest person that took part in On Our Own Together 2. She became the youngest person in the history of our organization to move out of her family home and into her own apartment. And you accomplished this all in the same year that you're finishing up high school. So we wish you continued success, Jillian. Way to go, Jillian. Personal Growth Award for Smile. I'll start with the female winner. We want to congratulate Melissa Cunningham. Melissa had a remarkable year. She advocated strongly for the opportunity to take part in On Our Own Together 2. While working towards the goal of moving out of her family home, she obtained paid employment at the Works. A few months later, she also achieved her goal of moving out. What a year. Continued success, Melissa. And our last Personal Growth Award, the male from Smile. We want to congratulate Carl Sanderson. Much like Melissa, Carl also advocated strongly to take part in On Our Own Together. And while working towards the goal of moving out, he obtained paid employment at Tim Hortons. Yes. He has also dedicated himself to athletic competition with Special Olympics and continues to take great pride in learning to manage all aspects of his own life. He is moving out in August. Way to go, Carl. Yes, Dr. Willard and Mr. McGowan, Carl wants to make sure you have his check ready for next year. Carl has understood the motivational aspect of this program. That's very good. Okay, Legacy Partner Award. This is an award we will not necessarily give out every year, but there is a long-time community partner that has been supporting the workplace since the days we pretty much opened our doors. The employees walked through our doors and said, "We think we like what you're doing and how'd you like us to support you?" Well, we thought about it. We said, we would like that. So thank you, Bank of America, for supporting people. This is June Larkin, who was one of those people who walked through our doors many years ago and gave us the wonderful gift of their involvement with the workplay, which is so broad it's hard to explain. They support people to work in their environment with excellent paid work. They participate in all of our events as sponsors. They provide volunteers. It's a comprehensive partnership that's just something you would dream to happen when you're starting a charity. So thank you again, Bank of America. Now, our next is the Legacy Volunteer Award. I know this person would prefer that I not emphasize the length of time involved, but she's been around with us for a long, long time. One of the true originals. We want to bring Penny Stein to the stage, please. Penny has done it all for us. She volunteers on Friday nights. She hosts events at her house. She is on the board of directors. What else? She's just superfluous and wonderful, and we are so happy that Penny is part of our lives at the workplace.
Yes, Penny!
Jack. Jack's a bit of a groupie. Next is the Ambassador Award. This was an easy one. This individual has been working on developing her public speaking, has always been keen to support Live Work Play in any way that she can, has never said no to any mission on which we have sent her or asked her to participate. Jennifer Harris, please come to the front. Jennifer's strong leadership was publicly demonstrated through her contribution to the Bill 77 hearings, her presentation at community living conferences in Ottawa and Kingston. Jennifer, you made an impact on our organization, on Ottawa, and the world around you. Thank you. Next up is our Legacy Life Journey Award. Again, not something we're giving out every year, but it's time. I think this person thought they came here for what they were going to get, which was the check from Dr. Wilderness McGowan. She'll be very surprised if she's getting something else. We want to bring Carolyn Matt to the stage, please. Carolyn has been a part of Live Work Play for the past 10 years. This has been an exciting journey, not just for Carolyn, but for all of us around her. Many, many ups and downs. One thing we all say about Carolyn, she's never, ever boring. She has taken a very exciting turn this past, what is it now, 2 weeks? About 1 week of living in her condominium apartment. Congratulations, Carolyn. We look forward to continuing to walk with you for many years, and thank you, Minister Mayor. I appreciate it.